Y'all, I love a breakfast sandwich, obviously for breakfast. And this sausage, egg, and cheese on a croissant, y'all, this right here is at the top of my list. Today, I'm gonna show you how I make sausage, egg, and cheese on a croissant. And it's gonna be some good groceries, y'all. Y'all stick with me. That's some good groceries. All right, so let's get started with our breakfast sandwiches. First things first is, gotta have some sausage. Use whatever sausage you like. We'll put this glove up here, make it a little easier on ourselves. Here we go. Use your favorite sausage, whatever you like. This happens to be one of my favorites. It's a North Carolina thing. I thought, why not do like a smashed sausage instead of patting out patties, you know, that kind of thing. So we're gonna do some smash sausage patties. Same concept as a smash burger. Basically just take roughly about a 2-ounce ball, next to 3 ounces if you like. Make you a little ball, and that's all. You can also use a 1/4 cup measuring tool if you like. Just kind of get at the sausage, and that'll equate to about a 3-ounce ball. Get all those nice and neat. You never know when you're gonna have company, all right? All right, let's talk about our bread now. A croissant, a buttery, beautiful croissant. I'm all for it. I mean, I think it's my middle name too. Buttery croissant Hussey. So we're gonna take these croissants, all right, and all we're gonna do is we're just gonna slice these in half as best as possible with your calibrated eye. Oh, Hussey did a good job. All right, guys, we have our croissants ready. We have our sausage balls ready. All we gotta do now, we gotta get this stuff on the griddle, so let's go. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna toast and warm our croissants up. And I'm gonna put just a little bit of butter down onto the griddle and put that cut side right down onto that butter. After about a minute, we're gonna flip our croissants over onto the other side and warm it through. After about that minute, we're just gonna put the tops back on, put those over onto our serving platter. After we got our croissants, got those over there waiting, let's get our eggs ready. We're gonna lay down liberal amounts of butter. If you've been around with me for quite some time, you'll know eggs need time and low temperature and plenty of butter. So we're gonna get 4 eggs down. We got 4 sandwiches, and we're gonna come in and we're just gonna break up this middle. Now what we're going for here, guys, is we're going for a marbled egg. It's not gonna be a yolky egg, it's not gonna be a scrambled egg. Call it a marbled egg. Basically, you take, after a certain amount of time, you just kind of swirl your yolk around and it makes like a marbled effect. I like it on my sandwiches. Feel free to do a yolky egg if you like. Now, we're gonna get our sausage patties ready, and I'm gonna put a little bit of oil down onto our griddle, guys. Sausage sometimes don't have a lot of fat, and you will get a good amount of stickage. All right, our eggs, they are ready. I'm gonna break this yolk up a little bit, just like that. We're gonna season these eggs up a little bit, guys, with some of this Blackstone SPG. Feel free to use whatever you like. I'm gonna come in and flip our eggs. They've all kind of ran together, but that's okay. You can kind of see why they call it marble. Some people call this just a fried egg. All right, our sausage balls have been on here for probably about 10-20 seconds, and it's time to smash them. Just gonna take a little bit of parchment paper and our Blackstone smasher, get on it. Wanna hold it for a little while. Sausage will stick a little bit to your parchment paper, but that's okay. A little help from another spatula works just fine. All right, our eggs, they're done, guys. You can check out that. That's why they call it a marbled egg. I'm gonna put it over here to the left. That side of the griddle is off, so all it's doing is just keeping it warm. Now we're gonna come in and flip our sausage patties. Now that we've flipped the sausage patties, we're gonna come in with some cheese. We're using good old American cheese here, y'all. It's good stuff, I like it. Some might say good groceries. All right, guys, so there's one thing we have got left to do here, and this is a sandwich. A sandwich has mayo on it. So we're gonna take our bottoms of our croissants, and we're gonna put some Duke's mayonnaise on it. And then we're just gonna build them right onto the griddle top. Remember, we're doing a double. Gonna bring that on top of there. Let's get an old marbled egg on top of there. Woo-hoo! We're gonna put it on this croissant. Oh, golly, boy. Dang it, boy. Woo-hoo. Little egg. Come on right here. Come on. That on top of there. Piece of egg. Whoop. This on top of there. Bring this egg. All right, y'all. Dang it, boy. Now, you got to give the tops. You got to give the tops of that croissant, got to give it some love of some mayonnaise also, y'all. So there we go. All right, let's get these dudes off of the griddle. Get our nice serving platter right here. Hello, beautifuls. Golly, ball. Got 2 extras right there. There you have it, folks. Sausage, egg, and cheese on a croissant breakfast sandwich. Don't get no better than this. All right, our breakfast croissant sandwiches, they're done. I want to give them a little cutsy. Want you to see what these dudes look like. I'd say that looks pretty dang good, especially for breakfast. Let's give it a try, y'all. I love that buttery flavor of that croissant. It's flaky. Sausage is great. And American cheese is great. Very creamy. Y'all, this right here is great. One thing I like to add to all my breakfast sandwiches, a little bit of hot sauce. I like sriracha. Let's give it a try too. That right there just rounds it out. Y'all, make this for your next breakfast. I guarantee you will love it. Y'all, this sandwich, it was amazing. But hey, before I leave, I want to let y'all in on something I'm starting. It's called Good Groceries from Griddle Nation, where I want to thank a lot of people out there that post their content, post their pictures, their videos, all that kind of stuff on social media. First on the list is Cooking with Champ. Man, I saw this guy. He was making an awesome breakfast, and kind of reminded myself back in the day whenever I used to we made a lot of breakfast when I first got my Blackstone. Hey, keep up the good work, Champ. You're doing a really good job. The next Griddle Nation family member I want to let you know of is this Thistle Farm. And again, he was cooking breakfast. That's kind of why I want to do a breakfast, is I got a lot of inspiration from these guys. He was out there on his back porch cooking up some dang good old breakfast. Most of all, I just want to say thanks to all the Griddle Nation family. Hey, be sure to post those pictures, tag us, tag me. That way you might have a chance of being featured as well. Hey, I appreciate everybody stopping by. Head on over to the Blackstone Network where you'll see other awesome videos just like this. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey, and that's some good groceries.